How to create progress bars in Microsoft Excel. Select the cell or the cell range with the data. Go to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting, then go to Data Bars and choose More Rules. Go to the Edit the Rule Description section and change the minimum type from automatic to number and value to 0. After that, change maximum type from automatic to number and value to 1. You can customize the bar appearance by choosing Fill, Color, and Border. Click OK. Your progress bars are created now. When you change the value in the cells, the progress bars will adjust automatically. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if this guide helped you. Subscribe for more similar videos.